But I'm guessing that I'm not gonna be able to get through there. So, uh, okay. Okay. What the fuck did I do? What does it want from me? Do I need to appease you with some sort of, like, plant food, or... Oh, if only I had that herbicide from that last time so I could kill it. Because it... No, wait, no. That would be if it was a plant. Is it a plant? Or could it possibly... If I go towards it... I'm glad it's not attacking me. It's just so fucking weird. Yeah, I'm fine. It's just a little grabby feely right there. Is all. Gave me a scare. But at least it won't attack me like those fucking sharks. Whew. Okay, so... Oh, God. Really, the fuck is wrong with you? Jesus. Go find yourself your own, you know, bitch to squeeze. You can't have this. You can't have none of this. You're not allowed to have none of this. Oh, my gosh. So... Okay, hold on. Hold on. Oh. That's the most fucked up. That's the most fucked up explanation of what the fuck that is. And I might be playing Resident Evil the whole stream. I might. Or I could be playing Zelda, but because of the black and white contrast, I think I might just stick to Resident Evil. Oh, God. That was just fucking terrible. At least they can't get me up here, that's the thing. Now I have to find a power room key, I'm supposing. Oh. Dude. And the thing is, like, right, is like all the way over there. The door back outside is all the way over there. Oh. Come on. Yeah, sharp. Oh, and it got me. Yeah. Oh my God! You saw that shit? You saw that huge ass shark? Did you see it? No! Fuck off! Did you see it? Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! I was put on my cautions. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah, let's not try this side. Oh, I did not see that big one. You saw the two little ones. We only saw the two little ones, and then there was that big one lurking underneath. I was freaking Jaws. I'm gonna call him Jaws.